the launch of the first ever spot Ethereum ETFs in the US. After years of regulatory hurdles, the SEC has finally approved these ETFs, and they're set to debut on US exchanges. This opens the door for millions of investors to gain exposure to Ethereum through regulated investment vehicles. Let's break down everything you need to know about this exciting development. The SEC has officially approved spot Ethereum ETFs, marking a historic moment for the crypto industry. The Chicago Board Options Exchange, CBOE, has confirmed that 5 spot Ether ETFs will launch on July 23rd. These include 21 Shares Core Ethereum ETF, Fidelity Ethereum Fund, Invesco Galaxy Ethereum ETF, VanEck Ethereum ETF, Franklin Ethereum ETF. While there haven't been official announcements from NASDAQ or the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, ARCA, it's widely expected that the remaining 4 spot ETH ETFs will also list on these exchanges on the same date. Following the wider market sell-off in June, Ethereum has shown an impressive recovery, gaining 23% from its July 8 lows and currently trading at $3,484. However, ETH has struggled to break the $3,500 level, and ETH derivatives data remained flat ahead of the ETF launch, suggesting that traders aren't anticipating a substantial bullish move just yet. Additionally, the EH/BTC ratio has fallen back to the 0.05 level, indicating that Bitcoin is currently outperforming Ethereum. The good news is that you won't need to jump through hoops to get your hands on these ETFs. Once listed, shares will be available through major brokerage platforms like Fidelity, E-Trade, Robinhood, Charles Schwab, and TD Ameritrade. These platforms will connect everyday investors with the exchanges where the ETFs are traded. With 9 spot Ether ETFs launching, you might be wondering how to choose the best one. Fundamentally, these ETFs are very similar. Each is managed by a reputable firm, holds spot ETH with a qualified custodian, and utilizes professional market makers for share creation and redemption. They also offer standard investor protections, including insurance against brokerage failures and cybersecurity threats. The key differentiator will be the fees. 8 of the 9 ETFs have management fees ranging from 0.15% to 0.25%. The outlier is the Grayscale Ethereum Trust, which charges a significantly higher fee of 2.5%. To attract investors, many of the new ETFs are offering temporary fee waivers or discounts. For instance, Grayscale's newer offering, the Grayscale Ethereum Mini Trust (EH), has a mere 0.5% fee, waived entirely for the first 6 months or until it reaches $2 billion in assets under management. Franklin Templeton's Franklin Ethereum ETF, EZ, also offers a competitive fee of 0.19% waived through January 2025 or until it surpasses $10 billion in assets. Research firms and analysts have varying estimates for the inflows expected with the launch of these ETFs. Morgan projects a modest $3 billion in the first year, citing Bitcoin's first-mover advantage and the lack of a catalyst like Bitcoin halving. On the other hand, Standard Chartered is more optimistic, predicting inflows of $15 billion to $45 billion within the first year, potentially driving ETH's price to $8,000 by year-end. Citi Research estimates Ethereum ETF inflows at about a third of their Bitcoin counterparts, translating to $4.7 billion to $5.4 billion over 6 months. Bloomberg's James Seyffart and K33 Research align their expectations, projecting Ethereum ETF demand at approximately 20% of Bitcoin ETF levels. Despite these varied predictions, many analysts remain optimistic about the long-term impact of Ethereum ETFs on the broader crypto market, seeing these products as a significant step towards mainstream adoption of Ethereum as an investment asset. While staking is a hot topic in the crypto space, it won't be a feature of these initial spot ETH ETFs. Several issuers explored the possibility, but were denied by the SEC due to concerns about liquidity. However, Hester Pierce, a pro-crypto commissioner at the SEC, mentioned that the addition of staking in spot ETFs is always open for reconsideration, giving investors hope that staking could eventually be introduced. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated on all things crypto. What are your thoughts on the Ethereum spot ETF launch? Let us know in the comments.